Welcome to the desert. Today we're going to share some structures and functions that we see in some plants and animals in the desert. We're going to start by looking at the camel. The camel has two humps on its back. These humps allow for a camel to store food and water. In the desert, it's very hot and there's little to no rain. So, the camel needs to store this water and food for long walks when he does not have access to water. Camels also have really long eyelashes. In the desert, when it gets windy, the wind will blow the sand everywhere. To avoid sand getting into the camel's eyes, it has really long eyelashes to protect its eyes. Lastly, the camel has large padded feet. Camels do a lot of walking throughout the desert, but as they walk, they need to step on extremely hot sand, so they have padded feet, which lets them do this. Now let's look at the scorpion. The scorpion has a long, narrow tail with a stinger at the end. This stinger is filled with poison and allows a scorpion to inject predators if he feels attacked. This helps the scorpion defend himself from predators in the desert. The scorpion also has two claws in front of him. These claws are used to catch prey and hold things to feed the scorpion. This allows the scorpion to hold things and feed himself, and scorpions need food to survive in the desert. Scorpions also have legs on the side of them. These legs are clawed, which allows scorpions to climb different plants, rocks, and trees around them to escape predators, to make homes, and to survive in the desert. A cactus also has structures and functions that help it survive in the desert. Because there is no rain and it's so hot, a cactus can store water inside of its large stem. A cactus also has many different spikes or thorns all over it, which helps protect it from animals that may try to eat the plant. Cactuses also have very shallow roots, which mean their roots don't go very far underground. These short roots help the cactus pick up any water that does fall when it rains or any water that may be on the ground to help it store water. Because the desert does not have much water, is very hot, and has a lot of sand that is also hot and can blow around. The cactus, scorpion, and camel all have different body parts or structures that serve different functions to help them survive.